So hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video your hairstyle part is all done. So first we started making, you have to braid your hairs, not actually braid, have to make your cap of your hairs, that you just have to twist your hairs again and again until you get this, I don't know what you call this design because I've never seen it. It's quite different, but you can make it if you want, and braid your hairs from the top as we are doing it here, secure them and done. Now for that design you actually have to get these voluminous hairs. I just don't know who have them these days, but again we are making this what do you call it, matte type of a design from your hair so that you will get a cap like of hairstyle. Again done. Now if you want you can extend the hairs design with the help of your fingers, twist the hairs as we are doing it here and secure them with the help of your safety pins, hair pins, and done. Now you have to take two sections of your hairs and you have to make this matte design as we are doing it here. And for the extra volume you have to take a part of your hairs from, very gently take it out so that it won't just get ruined, and you will get this very easy, not actually easy to be honest, but it's quite impactful. So your hair will be there for the rest of the time in the exact place you kept it them. Okay. So you have to make these two pair of your ponytails and then secure them with the next rubber band, and you have to repeat the process. So it's like a flower we are making. Now twist. For the twisting hairs you have to take your ponies out like this, in and out like this, and you will get a sunflower type of a design, and secure the rest of the hairs with the help of your hairpins and put. Okay, so this is nice. Actually in starting I was thinking what are we making, but the result is quite nice, I should say. So you have to take a hairband that too matching of your hair color so that it won't look different. So okay, now for the next part you have to make a fishtail braid, and that's very easy to make. So if you want to know you can actually watch the video as we are doing it here. So we are here to teach you only. Okay, so your hair braid is all done. Now for the next part you have to take a section of your hairs, braid it the way we did it here. Now take 4 sections and braid them, each of them you have to simply braid them. Okay, first braid only and then leave the hairs, and now you have to take a section of your hairs out from the last braid, and now again repeat the process so that you'll get the next design, and you have to repeat the process till the length of your hair is done, and then secure your hairs with your hairpins or your hair bands and done. So these are all very these are difficult to make, I should say, but if you make them once you really don't have to touch your hair for the rest of the day. So what could be better than that? Now for the next part you have to braid your hair from the front, so that you have to take different strand of your hair on every time so that your braid will be completed and all the part of your hairs are included, so that that won't look messy. It's like a sporty type of a look, so you can make them and that looks really nice. If you want to add extra volume to your hair, take out some strands of the hairs and you will get that. So we are making it the way and done. So for the front part only you have to take the sections, and the end part you simply braid your hairs, whatever hairs you have in your hand, and that will give you the desired result. So that was really nice, girly kind of a design. Okay, thank you for watching.